Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story Mouse Paint. The story Mouse Paint was written in 1989 by Ellen Stoll Walsh, and it tells the story of some little mice and their painting. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. Mouse Paint. Once there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. Almost camouflage, you can barely see them. The cat couldn't find them. So the mice are camouflaging against the white paper, and the cat can't see them. One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint, one red, one yellow, and one blue. Ooh, what do you think they're going to do with the red, yellow, and blue paint? I hope they paint or run through it. They thought it was mouse paint. They climbed right in. Then one was red, one was yellow, and one was blue. So they thought that paint was made just for them and hopped right in. And when they got out, they were red, yellow, and blue. They dripped puddles of paint onto the paper. The puddles looked like fun. So not only did they paint themselves, but they dripped some paint. And then they thought, hey, that might be fun to play in. The red mouse stepped into a yellow puddle and did a little dance. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until the red mouse is mixing into the yellow puddle. And right now, red and yellow are both primary colors. And when they mix together, they're going to make a secondary color. Can you guess what it's going to be? Red and yellow. Look, he cried. Red feet in a yellow puddle make orange. So you can see now his feet are orange, and so is the puddle. And the yellow and blue mouse look a little surprised. The yellow mouse hopped into a blue puddle. His feet mixed and stirred and mixed until we got yellow and blue mixing. I'll give you 1 second. Do you know what color yellow and blue make? Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make green. Did you guess that? So we have our red mouse with his orange feet, our blue mouse, our yellow mouse with green feet, and now a green puddle. What is that blue mouse going to do? Then the blue mouse jumped into a red puddle. He splashed and mixed and danced until we got red and blue mixing together. What do you think's going to happen? Think about it. Make your guesses. Did you guess this? Purple! They all shouted. Blue feet in a red puddle make purple. So we have our red and orange mouse, our yellow and green mouse, and now our blue and purple mouse. They sure had some fun. But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff. So they washed themselves down to a nice, soft white. They were feeling a little tough and itchy. And now they're taking a bath in the cat's water bowl to make themselves bright white again. Oh. And they painted the paper instead. They painted one part red and one part yellow and one part blue. They mixed red and yellow paint. They mixed red and yellow to paint an orange part. They mixed yellow and blue to paint a green part. And blue and red to paint a purple part. So now they don't just have red, yellow, and blue, they also have orange, green, and purple. But they left some white because of the cat. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed the story Mouse Paint about primary and secondary colors and some sweet little mice trying to trick a cat. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.